Sometimes, the people we love are the ones who hurt the most. Not because we hate them, but because we carry pain we never talk about.
Can you wash this? Ilalim ko na to, oh.
Pwede bang maghintay ka? Beauty takes time, no?
Beauty? Yuck! So gross. You look like a poop.
Ayokong maglaba. Puro libag mo na makukuha ko dyan. Like, ew. Tapos, mas mabuti pang
One small argument became a reminder of all the pain Ian kept inside. There are moments when a person feels tired, lost, and alone. But sometimes, one person's presence can become a reason to stay.
Ate, si Ian. Are you looking for Ian? Yes, why? I think I see him there.
Before the fame, there were memories, moments that shaped Ian's heart.
Life is really beautiful when I'm with all of you. Napalakas lahat. Natutupad pa ang mga pangarap natin. Kung kami yung nagagaya ng ginawa ni tatay. Nalakas namin ngayon. Hindi namin kaya sumunduan yung kapa.
But losing someone important changed everything.
Don't worry, Ma. We'll take care of ourselves. Ian, please stop us. You don't have to carry everything on your own.
I'm sorry if we didn't notice how heavy your burden was.
Healing does not happen instantly. Sometimes, silence is also part of healing. They give Ian time to understand himself. Sometimes, understanding the past is the first step to healing the present.
Yan, I know that there's so many questions in your mind. Marami kang hindi nalalaman tungkol sa buhay ng mga mama at papa mo.
Tita, gusto kong maintindihan ng paano naging ganito ang buhay namin. Ang buhay ko.
Kung handa ka, ikwento ko sa iyong lahat. I will tell everything para maintindihan mo kung gaano ka kamahal ng mga magulang mo at kung bakit sila nagpapakatatag para sa iyo.
Handa ko.
Every life begins with a story.
Hi, babe. Can I get to know you?
Ian came into the world with hope, but his father eventually left.
Just give it a try. There might something wonderful waiting for you. Let's go.
A simple encounter became his reason to stay.
Sa'yo, kahit na hindi naman ako ang iyong kaharap o
Tonight the music seems so loud. I wish that we could lose this crowd. Maybe it's better this way. We'd hurt each other with the things we want to say. We could have been so good together. We could have lived this bad forever. The past is gone, please stay. And I'm never gonna dance again.
Simple moments became unforgettable memories.
Meron po tayong bagong kalaban, virus na kumitil sa buhay ng mahigit 4,000 na sa buong mundo at dumapo sa mahigit 100,000 na.
Oh, COVID-19 pandemic? How about us? Paano ko makikita mga friends ko? Nagtitiktok pa naman kami. Sila Liz, sila Hana. Oh my God. Paano pa lang makikita yung crush ko? God, walang 2 weeks lang naman.
Ay, nandito na po sa kabila.
Grace, walang klase doon.
Growing up also means experiencing changes in traditions.
Gusto po, bakla talaga yung natulian ha, nakakapikon. Kuna, okay? Kaya mo pa to, kaya mo pa. Woo! Sakit.
Another achievement, another memory.
mahal naman chika mo. Yan,
For a moment, Ian forgot his worries and simply enjoyed the present.
I-delete nyo yan kung ayaw nyong sundan kayo.
Bibi, delete mo na yun.
Oh my God, alam mo ba ang saya ko ngayon? Alam mo, hindi na ako naglalakad pa uwi kasi gusto ginagastos ko sa bago. Mga pera ko, nagsasakit na lang ako. Oh my God. Tara, libre kita mamaya. Mag-milky na lang tayo. Tara, mamaya. Tara.
Behind every smile is a story. Ian's story proves that even after pain, there is always a chance to begin again.
Nandito lamang pala sa lupa. I just had to let you know you're.
Libag mo naman yan. Mas mabuti pang mag-review na lang. Mas mabuti pang mag-review na lang. Puro libag mo naman yan.
Aba! Hindi naman pwedeng puro kami ang...
Libag mo lang ang makukuha ko. Ay nako. Magpapagaling ka. Sasamahan mo pa.
Yun! Okay lang yan!
Ito, ayos na. Tignan niyo!
Blabber, blabber!
Tignan niyo! What is that? Pero
Blabber, blabber, blabber! Ay, kunwari na ito na yung bata, yung bata.
Behind every smile is a story.
Let us welcome Bata
A
Kid!
story proves that even after pain, there is always a chance
Okay
to
lang yan.
begin again.
Okay lang. Sakit! My dear Junjun, makakaraos din tayo, ha? Diyos ko po, bakla talaga, natulian, ha? Dito!